Thank you. Rather than sit here in the chair and give you a speech, I'm going to take you out on the plant floor. I'm a lot more comfortable there, and I can show you what we got going on. We've got FDA, CGMP, DOD, every possible certification necessary to show that we've got a superior product. At the end of the shift, you can see the entire floor is mopped. All of the equipment is clean. Not only do we make sanitizer, we have a highly sanitized environment within which we work. Currently, the plant is under final construction of some additions of some lines, and we put in a 1 gallon bottling lineup that allows us now to do everything from 2-ounce bottles to 1 gallons under the same roof, with a total of about 12 million bottles a month and growing. Watch yourself. At the end of every shift, the entire place is, just like I said, is mopped up. You know, the big part about this is that we, even on a slow period after construction like this, we've got about 10 people who are employed just taking care of the cleanup and making sure everything is sanitary. When this place is running, it's about 30 people per shift. And we run 3 shifts a day, 120 people are employed. Makes a big difference. Here's the gallon line. It's going to be encased in this, which allows us to have any of the alcohol fumes are removed and then filtered before it hits the air. As we go back over this way, we've got multiple labelers, multiple bottlers, multiple cappers, all of which amount to a highly efficient operation. The folks out there are preparing for the next round. As we go forward, we've got a designer group of bottles that we're able to do for the 2-ounce and smaller form factors, where a child could have in their backpack or a lady can have in her purse. And it's not just alcohol. We have a water-based scenario as well, which works for schools or prisons or in restaurants, where you don't want to have a bunch of ethyl alcohol on the surfaces where you're going to serve food. We compound and formulate all of the materials here. So in this sector right here is our compounding area. These tanks are capable of doing 1,200 gallons every 10 minutes on each. So our daily production can be in excess of 100,000 gallons a day. Out back, we've got about 150,000 gallons of storage. We're originally a water bottling plant, so we still have some water customers. And it's all purified water that we use in the sanitation equipment, as well as what naturally goes in the bottles that people drink. With about 60,000 square foot of space, we're able to have a full logistical arena here, so that each bottle has a UPC, each tray has a UPC, and every pallet has a UPC. That's all organized into the truckloads, so the people that buy the material know exactly what's on the truck, what order it's been loaded in, when it's going to arrive. And we have an interface that they're exchanging with, so that they don't have any confusion relative to their order arriving. Additionally, we've got a QR code on every bottle, and that QR code allows somebody to take their smartphone, shoot the code, gives all of the certifications, all of the FDA compliance, traceability of the ingredients, as well as a bit about Riviera bottling and West One, in order that they know exactly what they're getting. So this is the tour, the microwave version anyway. Thanks for coming along.